I feel like I didn't choose it, it sort of chose me. Hey y'all, it's BRITT LATHRECE and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. So guys, today's a really quick unboxing of something that I picked up from the Chanel 2022 S collection because I couldn't resist. Yeah, my essay was just kind of like sharing some of the really cool things that she had, and I was like, give me that, give me that. It's something that I do not have, but I was seeking, and she comes in this little adorable box. Just how could one resist? So I'm gonna unbox it and show you exactly what it is. All right, so here these are. Yes. Let's take a moment for the shoes. Like, I just can't even. I can't even. Like, clutch his pearls. All right, so let's talk about the history, about the facts about these shoes. So these shoes were from the Chanel 2022 S collection. That collection was extremely popular for a lot of reasons. I think they did really well with the colors. I think they came out with some interesting, fresh takes on things. Like that new heart bag is iconic. Iconic. In addition to the heart though, what we saw on the runway were the white pair, a lighter pink color, and a darker pink color. Not these. They kept these to themselves. Like, here's a little Easter egg for the fans. Like, what? They also had a variety of heel heights. I was most interested in the platform with the highest heel or just the highest heel without the platform. I was not interested in any height lower than that personally. Just not my style, not my vibe. I do wear an 8.5 US. I got these in a 39 because that is the Chanel size that is most comfortable for me. And I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier with my selection. So in terms of the thought that went behind them, I discussed both pairs with my mom because white has been extremely popular too. But like upon having the discussion with her, I think the key takeaway that I felt was that these went beyond a season. The white felt very spring summer, and while you can wear anything you want at any point in the year that you want, this felt like truly like a year-round fun shoe that I could just like really just put on, wear, and enjoy. So that was exciting. And personally, I have not been drawn to too many Chanel heels. So this was something new for me. I was like, oh, they finally, these feel young, these feel fresh, these feel modern. Like, I like it, Picasso. I love the chunkiness of the heel. I love a block heel. And the last block heels I had, basically I worn them until I wore them out. I'm obsessed with the movie Clueless, and there's something about these that scream like Clueless. Like those photos of the runway that you see of Chanel in the 90s, they're giving me all of those vibes. And I'm like, ooh. So definitely have some really great outfits that I can think about in store for these. And these, they're just cool. And also, there's just something about how fun these are that seemed like a platform type vibe and style. I love them so much. I won't lie. Honestly though, y'all, if I get a call for the white ones, I might cave. But my apprehension about the white, if there was one to be had, which there's not much, is that they would be a little bit harder to keep clean. And I feel like these are something that I will love on, and I just don't want them to look crusty, and I don't want them to be something that I want to replace in a short amount of time because they don't look as crispy and fresh as they once did. So that's like probably my only apprehension. I'm so excited to rock them. I can't wait to like show y'all what I got in store for these because we are going to have a nice, long, lovely future together. We sure will. We sure will. All right, so that's everything that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications each time that I upload. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.